BMW's electrified future is previewed by the 2023 9 SUV, which offers similar space and practicality as the brand's popular X5, but with cutting-edge flair. Two electric motors provide all-wheel drive and more than ample power, 516 horsepower in the xDrive 50 and a whopping 610 horsepower in the M60, while a large battery pack delivers enough juice for an estimated driving range of over 300 miles per charge. The 9's spacious interior is lined with fine materials and features a fancy, futuristic design. A large digital dashboard displays the future of BMW's iDrive infotainment system and is controlled by a cool see-through rotary knob on the center console. The 9 has what it takes to compete with established all-electric rivals such as the Audi e-tron and the Tesla Model X, and should stack up well against newcomers such as the Fisker Ocean and the Rivian R1S. What's new for 2023? The high-performance M60 model joins the lineup for 2023, complete with a 610 horsepower all-electric powertrain and a driving range of up to 290 miles. It rides on an air suspension that adapts to sporty driving. Elsewhere, the individual convenience, dynamic handling, and luxury packages have been consolidated into one big pile of features and sold as the ultimate package. The powerful M60 model commands a significant premium over the xDrive 50 trim. While the M60 is capable of 290 miles on a single charge with quicker performance merits, we'd still stick with the xDrive 50 because it achieved the same amount of range for far less money. Two different variants of the 9 are on offer, the first being the xDrive 50, which is powered by a pair of electric motors that combine to make 516 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard. In our testing, the 9 xDrive 50 scooted to 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds. The high-performance variant, called M60, offers a whopping 610 horsepower, and we estimate that's enough to rocket the midsize SUV to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. An adjustable air suspension and a rear-wheel steering system are both optional on the entry-level xDrive 50 and standard on the M60. During our initial test drive of an xDrive 50 model, we noted plentiful power, surprising energy efficiency, agile handling, and a smooth ride. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.